In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix can't install TikTok app from Google Play Store. If you're trying to install TikTok app from Google Play Store, but you are getting this error or message, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this will be helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix this problem related to installing TikTok app. In the first method, you need to go ahead and open your Google Play Store app here and go ahead and log in first with your Gmail. So once you're logged in, then go ahead and try and download or install your TikTok app. However, if you are already logged in but you can't install, then go ahead and just tap on your profile icon here, and then down below look for settings. Now under settings, head over to this option called network preferences, and under it you should see we have app download preferences. Go ahead and tap on it and choose the first option over any network. This will allow download via any network that you are connected on. Now from here, go ahead and download your app and everything should be okay. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you need to go ahead and clear cache data from this Play Store. So to clear data from Play Store, we need to go ahead and look for this app through settings, and you can use settings here, and under it you should see app. Use this to go to the app manager and also to access the app info page. However, the shortcut method is just to long press on Play Store, and from this you should see app info, or if you can't see app info, just look for a setting gear or the name of the app and then tap on it, and this will take you to the app info page. From here, go ahead and tap on clear data down below and then choose this option clear cache and then okay. Now at this point, restart your smartphone and then go ahead and now open it. And once you open Play Store, search for TikTok. Now if I tap on search here, go ahead and tap on it and then tap on install to see if TikTok can be installed. And as you can see now, the installation process is on. The app is being installed on my smartphone. So that's how you can fix and able to install TikTok from Google Play Store on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.